Hey guys, welcome back to SinghCanStyle, and today I'll be making peri peri Nandos style chicken. So first of all, we need chicken thigh fillets. They could be organic or just any other brand from Woolworths or Coles. We've got some lemon juice or fresh lemon. We've got garlic cloves, we'll need 2 of these. We've got some fenugreek, and you can also use basil, or you can also use oregano in this case. I've got some paprika or red mirchi, and I've got chili flakes and salt and pepper according to taste. And I've got some olive oil here, and we'll use these items to make a really nice Nando's peri peri style chicken, and also show you how to make a nice Mexican rice according to this dish that will go and gel together perfectly. So stay tuned for more. So now we're going to cut the chicken into equal pieces, as you can see over here, and we're going to remove all the fat that you can see here. So tastes nice and yum. So we're just going to remove the fat. And the fat's all removed. So as you can see, the pieces are approximately that much, and we can cut it later once it's all marinated. I'll cut the chicken into equal pieces and I'll put that aside. And now always, I've got a towel here, use that so it doesn't wreck your bench top. So I've got all the chicken pieces cut up in equal sizes, and now put that in already to give you an example. Now I'm just going to crush it up. Crush it up nicely, and that should do the job. Alright, so I've got the garlic all chopped up and crushed. We've got the chicken already cut up. Now everything's ready. I'm going to put this all together now in a marinade. So I've got the lemon juice. We're going to put approximately 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. So I'll just leave that there. And now I'm going to put a bit of oil. So this is just going to drizzle the olive oil. That should be enough for now. And we can always put more later. I'm going to put a bit of fenugreek. That should be enough for now. And I've got some paprika or red mirchi. Teaspoon. Should be enough for now. And I'm just going to get a bit of chili flakes and drizzle them up. That should be enough for now. Salt and pepper according to taste. So maybe about a teaspoon, a tablespoon, and some pepper, black pepper. And now once that's all ready, I'm going to put the chicken in and mix it up. We're going to chuck the chicken into the marinade. That's all the chicken. You can mix it with a spoon, but I always like to get my hands dirty, because this is a true way to really enjoy your chicken. And oh, look at the marinade, it looks beautiful, guys. So I'm going to continue to mix it. And as you can see, if I'm not satisfied with this, I can always add a bit more oil, a bit more salt and pepper. Just see if the color's right, and we can see this looks pretty nice. So we'll leave that to marinate for about half an hour at the earliest possible convenience. But if not half an hour, if you have time, leave it for 24 hours to probably like a half a day would be better. Always clean after the meat and pineapple clean it. So after all this is done, I've left it to marinate the chicken. I'm just going to quickly put it in the fridge, and we'll come back shortly and I'll show you how I cook it and get the meal all ready together. So as you can see, I've got the chicken there, and now I'm going to cook it in this pan, and this is being cooked there so that it has the grill marks. So I'm going to put about 3 to 4 pieces in this pan, enough space to cook efficiently and very nicely, evenly, and I'll show you the result after this.